For Friday, the 27th of October 23, here's the latest from Force 13's AU regional channel on the national weather scene. This is a recorded view of the Brisbane radar, and it is raining here in the southeast corner, and on the screen is the latest instability from 1300 hours through to 2200 hours tomorrow. There's a gale warning current for the Sunshine Coast waters, Gold Coast waters, the Fraser Island coast. Strong wind warning for the Hervey Bay, Moreton Bay, and including the Capricornia coast. There's a fire weather warning for the Barkly, Gregory, South East fire weather districts in the Northern Territory, and a strong wind warning for the Rapa-Guti coast. There's a marine wind warning for Western Australia's Perth local waters, Nigaloo, Gascoyne, Geraldton, Lassiterton, Perth and Ikura coast. And a heat wave, South Australia's got a strong wind warning for the far west coast. Sheep graziers warning for various parts of South Australia are being cancelled. Here in Queensland there's also a fire weather warning for the central west northwest country, the central west northwest channel country fire weather districts. Now here's a look at the precipitation. It's a GFS model for the Australian continent, and the information is at the bottom of the screen, and it's the area in yellow and brown. The GFS precipitation and pressure. The Bureau's total forecast of rain, days 1 to 4, 5 to 8, then 1 to 8, 8-day forecast. There's also a hazardous surf warning for Byron, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden Coast. Sheep graziers warning for the mid-north coast, northern tablelands, central tablelands, southern tablelands, southwest slopes and the snowy mountains. The rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen, and again it's going to be the area south of the Queensland New South Wales border to probably Port Macquarie. And here's a look at the ECMWF precipitation and pressure. Long overdue soaking for New South Wales North Coast. Over 100 millimetres of much needed rainfall soaked the parched countryside around Goffs Harbour on the mid New South Wales North Coast at 9 AM today, and rain is still falling. Goffs Harbour is usually a pretty wet place, located roughly halfway between Sydney and Brisbane. It sees 1647 millimetres annually, compared to Brisbane's 1021 millimetres and 1211 millimetres for Sydney. However, this year's rainfall has been tracking well below average. Now here's a look at ex-tropical cyclone Loda. It's a Himawari 9 satellite imagery. And we will continue to bring the latest information. This is a short one. And a automated live event is possible, but it's good to see the rain. I've had about 2 millimeters so far today.